Hello everyone and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. I've been waiting to make this video for a really long time, since it's the first step in the deep rabbit hole of modifying my E350 named Slate. What we're doing today is we're installing this Suvneer brand front bumper from the E63 look. So this is not the original bumper, but these guys have been on the market for a really long time, so the fit is you know what, unnoticeable. So it looks exactly like an E63. Best part is it's gray. I don't have to paint it for now, since this is a budget build. But what it comes with comes with this grille. I'm gonna link this package in the description below, an Amazon link. This it's sold by Gary V, who is well known in W211 Benz community. So the whole package comes with this grille, the mesh insert for underneath. These come from right here. These are the little nets around the fog lights. These are the fog lights themselves, left and right, and it comes with the support. The two things that don't come in the package are these that I just got from Mercedes-Benz, the little front badge on the grille and the hood latch that it comes from the E63, since the grille protrudes a little bit more. But without further ado, let's put the car up and I'll show you how to change the bumper. So what we're doing first, we're assembling the supports inside the bumper, so it's ready for us to put it on as soon as we take the other one. And we have this left side, the middle, and that side right there. I'm gonna go do that. Alright, so I just installed the supports, but they're kind of flimsy. That's what I don't like about this bumper. Make sure all the clips go inside when you install these. First install the sides and then put the middle one in. It's held on different clips. Of course, we're modifying it by putting a few zip ties in, so we can hold everything in place and we don't lose anything. Alright. This is why you need a professional installer to be helping you to do this, so you don't mess up the job. So now we installed the little chrome trim pieces. Next thing are the grills for the fog lights. I just personally put these on. Kind of flimsy, they don't fit correctly, but hey, we'll play with these later on to see if we can adjust them. Now the car dentist is fixing the grills. We have clips with these, I think.
Screws or clips?
Don't know, let me see. The first two screws right here and right there are size 10, and these on the headlights are size 8
millimeters.
8 millimeter. There you go. That's how they look like. And that should be everything that is on top of the bumper. Now we gotta unscrew the ones from the wheel wells. So 2 more screws inside or 4?
Here it's one screw and one clip.
One screw,
inside.
one clip?
Yes. After we move all this open, that's where we're gonna access that. Clip down there. Okay.
The last one on this side is up, and it's a T20 screw that holds the bumper for the fender.
Yes, on the clip, secures the clip.
Clip?
Yes, it secures the clip.
Secures the clip.
After you remove the screw, you're going to remove the clip. There's a little screwdriver to pry out. That's it.
And this is the clip
That's
for the bumper.
Clip. Yes. she's happy.
Same procedure on the driver's side. Don't forget the two screws up there, the
Yes.
T10.
This is
no,
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter.
Yes.
So just installed the grille, and I did not install the hood release latch because I didn't feel like messing up with the spring and stuff like that. But it looks pretty good. A few hurdles that we go around too. This stupid support for the bumper is very flimsy, and putting the clip right here was a bit of an issue. The fog lights did not come with screws, so be prepared for that. The little rings that come with it, they don't fit, so I gotta cut this piece and then put some glue and glue them on top. What other issues? This right here, it's not cut correctly, so it rubs on the bottom of the bumper. We don't need these because I don't have windshield washers, but all the rest is good. I did not buy the support foam from the E63 because it's $150 or something of that sort, so I didn't want to spend on that. But let's put the finishing touch right here. There we go. This is the Mercedes badge. Now I gotta go ahead and get the grommet for this so it sticks in there, or might as well put some crazy glue on it, do it a little bit of a ghetto style, but we'll see. That's up in the future. So let's pull the car out and see how it looks on the sunlight, on the daylight, whatever it is. Oh yeah, this actually looks pretty cool, and it was very easy to install, the mesh grille. You can see underneath the shield has a bit of a gap, but that's because I don't have the 63 specific shield. Step back a little bit and look. Looks great. As I said, I know it's not painted, and for now I'm not gonna paint it. Thank God it's gray, so it doesn't attract too much attention. But yeah, I have more plans about the whole car, so let's take it out. Before I move the car out, I still have the E350 bumper with the fog lights, plate adapter, and the grille. And if you're interested in them, hit me on the DMs of my Instagram at CarGhostNY. So, anybody have any interest in the E350 bumper? Let me know. It's gonna go for cheap. So we are finally out of the shop and we're in the park. It may be a bit windy over here and noisy, but this is the finished product, almost finished product. For I still have to stick the little rings right here on the fog lights, and I will have to glue this little badge onto the grille or by the grommet. But I think the car looks great, and it's a great first step towards making this E350 into the best daily driver out there. The car itself on the market right now costs between $3,000 to $4,000, $5,000 if you wish, with good mileage. Bumper, $500, $600 with the installation. I had to give something because I spent 3 hours in the mechanic. A few things needed to be addressed before the bumper goes on the car. But what do you think? If you're excited about this E350's transformation into a nice showroom car and a great daily driver, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more videos on this to come. Till then, have a great day. Bye.